Hi everyone, I'm Siyuk from Online Help Guide. In this video, I will show you how to uninstall AI Browser. Removing the AI browser from your device can free up space and help you manage your installed app. So, let's get started on how to uninstall AI Browser. First, locate the AI browser on your home screen. Tap the AI browser and hold on to it until a menu appears. In the menu that appears, select the Uninstall option. A confirmation message will appear asking if you really want to uninstall AI Browser. Simply tap on the Uninstall option to confirm your choice. And this is how you can uninstall AI Browser. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.